Hi everyone, this is Mimi from Mimi Mom and Me. Today we're going to do a really quick tutorial on how to add your photo to this big jumbo birthday card. So it's a black ombre card and on Zazzle. I'll put the link below in the description, just click on that. So once you click on it, you just go to personalize this template and see right here where it says change name. You can change the name on the front of the card. You can change the picture, you can change the inside greeting too. So we'll do the picture first. So once you click on change photo, just click on upload images, and that'll take you to your phone or your computer folders, and you can pick whatever picture you want. So I'm just scrolling through my pictures here. I'll pick a picture of my little grandson to put on the front. So we'll upload it to Zazzle and then just click on it, and we'll automatically add it to the card. So now you got the picture of who you want on the card. So now you'll just go to the right hand side where it says change name. Okay, now over here, you can see on the left hand side, you can click on whatever and see the different views of the card. So now we'll change the inside message. So you can write whatever message you want to whoever the birthday person is. And then you can see what it will look like. So there's the front of the card. There's the inside of the card. There's the back of the card. And this picture shows you how big this card actually is. And it comes with a jumbo-sized envelope. Then you just add it to your cart, and that's it. You're ready to check out. Oh, also one more thing is you can change the size and make it even bigger. So there's big, bigger, and then totally huge. So you can change the side of the card if you want to. And that's it. Thank you. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll put the links below to the Zazzle shop. Have a great day.